This one we written something equal to 192 by 6 into 512 or not. 192 by 6 into 512. Okay. 2 2s are how much? 4. 4 by 6 means we are getting 2 2s are how much? 4 by 6 means we are getting ending with 6 or 4. Either 4 or 6. Sorry. Actually it is denominator or numerator? Numerator. 512 by something into how much value? 6 equal to how much value? 192. 192 means it is 8 multiple or not? 8 how many times? 2 times. What is the remaining value? 32. 4 times or not? 6 how many times? 4 times or not? 4 again. 6 2s are 12. Remaining value? Sorry. 512 by something into how much value? 6 equal to how much value? 192. 6 how many times? 3 times. Again 2 times or not? Okay. 32 1 time. Again 6 times or not? It is 16. Which option? Second one. Next 32. 48% of 625 divided by how much value? 0.75. 0.75 means written 3 by 4 or not? 3 by 4. This one I written 48 by 100 into 625 into 4 by how much value? 3 or not? 3 how many times? 48. 16 times or not? 25 how many times? 625. 25 times. 25 how many times? 100. 4 times. 4 4 get cancelled or not? Then 16 into 25. 400 or not? Next question number 33. 65% of 480 minus something plus 175 equal to 350 or not? Okay. First negative value becomes, it will be right hand side positive value or not? Okay. And 350 and 175, what is the difference? 175. But it will be minus 175 or plus 175? Minus 175. Next, another one, 65% of which value? 480. 65% means 50%, 10%, 5% or not? What is the 50%? 240. 10%? 48. 240 plus 48? 288. Plus how much percent we are adding? 5%. What is the 10%? 48. 5%? 24. 288 plus 24 or not? 288 plus 24. 3, 1, 2 or not? We require difference between these two values or not? What is the difference? 12 minus 5, 7. 30 minus 17, 13. Which option? First one. Next question number 34. 45 plus 20% of something equal to 460 by 4 or not? 4 how many times? 460. 115. Out of 115 we are subtracting how much value? 45. What is the remaining value? 70. Means 20% of something equal to 70 or not? Means 20% value 70 or not? 20% 70 means 10%, 35. 100%, 350 or not? If 20% are 70, then 100% are 350. Next question number 35. 4 power something into 2 equal to 16 square by 4th root of which one? 16. First numerator 16 square or not? Means we return 16 into 16 or not? By denominator value 4th root of 16. Means we return 2 or not? 16 into 16 by 2 or not? 2 how many times? 16. 8 times. 8 into 16 or not? Okay. 8 into 16 means it is 128 or not? 128. 128 which one? Sorry, right hand side 2. Sorry, left hand side 2 how many times? 64. 64 means which one cube? 4 cube. Something equal to which one? 3 or 4? 3. What is the right hand side value we are getting? 128. But in left hand side 4 power something into 2 or not? 2 how many times? 128. 64. 64 means which one cube? 4 cube. Next 36. What is the right hand side value? 8 cube. 8 cube means 512. 4 how many times 512? 128 or not? 128. Something plus 120 equal to 128 means something must be 8. Next 37. 13% of 4,000 or not? What is the 13% of 4,000? 520 or not? 520. In this one we are subtracting how much value? 8 cube. What is the 8 cube? 512. What is the 520 and 512 difference? 8. It is equal to 56 by something or not? 8 how many times? 7 times. Then something must be 7. Next question number 38. First we need to add the integers in left hand side or not? 4 plus 1, 5. 3 by 12 means written 1 by 4 or not? 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 or not? Already 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus something equal to cube root of 64 means 4. Then something must be 2. Next 39. First priority 756 divided by 14 or not? 14 how many times? 5 times. Again 4 times. 54 into 5 or not? What is the 10 times of 54? 540. 5 times means half of the 10 times or not? What is the half of the 540? 270. In this one we are subtracting square root of which value? 7921. What is the under root of 7921 value? 70. 89. Because it is less than 90 square or not? Less than 90 square means it will be taken as 89. 270 and 89. What is the difference? 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9, 1. 26 minus 8, 18. It is 181. Next question number 40. 462 divided by 5.25 plus 24 into 12 or not? First priority 462 divided by which one? 5.25. What is the double of 5.25? 10.50 or not? Double value 10.50. Again double 21 or not? Then I written 462 by 21 by 4 or not? 5.25 means 10.50. Again double means it is 21 by 4 means we are get the 5.25 or not? What is the 21 2 times? 42. What is the remaining value? 42. Again 2 times or not? It will be 22 by 1 by 4 means it will become 22 4 times. How much? 88. Next 24 into how much value we need? 12 times. What is the 12 square? 144. Actually 24 means 12 into 2 or not? What is the 12 12s are? 144. Again 2 times or not? What is the 2 times of 144? 288. Total these two are adding or subtracting? Adding. Total it is 376. Which one? First option or not? Next question number 41. The ratio between the length of trains A and B is given 3:5. The speed of train A is 72 km per hour and train B is 54 km per hour. They are running opposite to each other. Nothing but both are moving in which direction? Opposite direction. If train A crosses train B in how many seconds? 16 seconds. Means time also given or not? First in opposite direction means speeds are subtracting or adding? Adding. What is the first one speed? 54. Second one speed? 72. Either 72 or 54 or 54 or 72. 72 plus 54? 126. What is the sum of the speeds? 126. Into 5 by 18 means we are get the meter per second or not? But here how many seconds it will be passes? 16 seconds. Into 16 or not? Because it is speed into time or speed plus time? Speed into time. Equal to distance value or not? The distance it is equal to, when a train passes say another train means total distance are sum of the two train lengths or only one train? Sum of the two train lengths. What is the first train length? 3 parts. Second train length? 5 parts. What is the total length? 8 parts or not? Then 8 parts equal to 126 into 5 by 18 into 1600. 18 how many times 126? 7 times. 8 how many times 16? 2 times. 5 into 2, 10 into 7. 70 or not? Every one part equal to 70. We required which one length? Train B means how many parts? 5 parts. What are the 5 parts? 350. Next question number 42. The perimeter of the circle of radius 28 centimeters is 32 centimeters more than the perimeter of a square. What is the question here? Find the area of a square. What is the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter of a circle 2 pi r. 2 pi r is radius are given how much? 28. 2 pi r nothing but we written 44 by 7 into r. Then 44 by 7 into r. What is the radius are given? 28. It is equal to 32 centimeters more than the which one? Perimeter of a square. What is the perimeter of a square? 4a. Compared to 4a, how much value are more? 32 more or 32 less? 32 more. 7 how many times? 28. 4 times. Both left hand side, right hand side, 4 will be common. 4 how many times? 1 time. 4 how many times? 8 times. Then 44 equal to a plus 800. Then a equal to how much value? 36. If a value are 36, we required area of a square. Means a square or a? A square. Then answer 1296. Next question number 43. A boat upstream can travel 5 kilometers in how many minutes? 30 minutes. If the speed of the stream is 1.5 kilometer per hour, then find the total distance covered by the boat when the boat takes 46 hours to travel from A to B, then return to A or not? Nothing but it is total time of downstream and upstream or not? Downstream time plus upstream time, total is how many hours? 46 hours. First of all, in upstream, 5 kilometers are covered in how many minutes? 30 minutes. Speed nothing but per hour value or per minute value? Per hour value. 30 minutes, how much distance are covered? 5 kilometers. Then 30 minutes, 5 kilometers means 60 minutes, 10 kilometers or not? Then upstream speed means m minus s or m plus s? M minus s. Then m minus s equal to how much value? 10 kilometer per hour. But already speed of the stream is given how much? 1.5 kilometer per hour. S value is how much? 1.5. Then m value must be 11.5 or not? 11.5. And here total time are given how many hours? 46 hours. Total time means A to B time and B to A time. A to B means downstream speed, but B to A means upstream speed. Downstream speed means adding or subtracting? Adding. 11.5 plus 1.5. 13. Next, upstream speed 10. 13 into 10 means product of the speeds or sum of the speeds? Product of the speeds. What is the sum of the speeds? 23. What is the total time are given? 46 hours. Into how much value? 46 hours. Product of the speeds by sum of the speeds into total time equal to distance or not? 23 how many times? 46? 2 times. Then answer 260. 260 or 230? 260. The 260 will be either A to B distance or B to A distance. But here we required total distance covered by the boat. Nothing but A to B distance plus B to A distance. 260 plus 260. How much? 520 or not? 260 is the only one side distance or not? If A to B 260 means B to A also 260. Then total distance are 520. Answer will be 520 because A to B 260, B to A also 260. Next 44. Difference of the interest received when a sum is invested 15% per annum at simple interest for 2 years and the interest received when the same sum is invested at 20% per annum compound interest for 1 year but compounded which one? Half yearly is given how many rupees? 432. 432 is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. but simple interest is calculated annual basis, but compound interest is calculated half yearly basis. For how many years? 1 year or 2 years? 1 year. First we need to identify the simple interest or not. 15% per annum in simple interest, how many years are given? 2 years. 15% for 2 years means first year 15, second year 15 or not. Total how much? 30%. Simple interest 30%. But compound interest per annum is given how much? 20%. Per annum 20%, but required interest will be half yearly basis. Per annum 20% means first 6 months 10%. Next 6 months 10% plus 10% of first 6 months or not. 10% plus 10% of 10%. Total it is how much? 21%. First 6 months 10%. Next 6 months 10% plus 1% or not. Okay. What is the simple interest for 2 years? 30%. Compound interest for 1 year? 21%. What is the difference in? 9%. But in place of 9%, how much value are given? 432. We required which one? Sum means how much percent? 100% or not? 9 how many times? 4 times. Again 8 times. The answer 4,800. Next question number 45. In an election, only 2 candidates are participated. Candidate A got 50% less votes than B. And B got 300 votes less. There would have been a tie. What is the 12 times of the number of total votes polled or not? Here there would have been a tie. Tie nothing but each one are received. Same votes or different votes? Same votes. Nothing but A votes equal to which one votes? B votes or not? A got 50% less votes than which one? B or not? 50% means what is the fraction? 1 by 2. Means B got are 2 parts. A got are how many parts? 1 part or not? If B value are 2 parts, then A value are how many parts? 1 part or not? Next. And one more. B got 300 votes are less. If B got 300 votes are less, there would have been a tie or not? What are the B votes? 2 parts. But he getting how many votes are less? 300 less. Means we return 2 parts minus 300. 2 parts minus 300, it is B votes means it is equal to which one votes? A votes or not? A is how many parts? 1 part. What is the difference between 2 parts and 1 part? 1 part. What is the 1 part value? 300. But we require total votes. How many parts? 3 parts. What is the 3 parts value? 900 or not? But we required how many times of total number of votes? 12 times. Means multiplied by 12 times or not? Answer 10,800. If it is tie means equal votes or different votes? Equal votes. Next 46. A pen was marked up by 50% above the which one? Cost price and allowed 100 rupees discount on the marked price. Is shopkeeper still made a profit of how many rupees? 100. Then find the selling price of the pen or not. First of all, market price value 50% above the which one? Cost price. But allowed how many rupees are discount? 100 rupees are discount. Suppose cost price I treated as 100%. Then market price is how much? 150% or not? Out of 150%, how many rupees are discount offered? 100 rupees discount or not? Out of 150%, discount is how many rupees? 100 rupees or not? Market price minus discount, we are get the which one? Selling price or cost price? Selling price. But a shopkeeper still made a profit of how many rupees? 100 rupees. Profit is how many rupees? 100. What is the cost price? 100%. Plus profit is how many rupees? 100 rupees or not? 100% is the cost price, 100 is the profit. These two are adding, we are get the selling price or cost price? Selling price. Left hand side selling price, right hand side also selling price. These two are equal or not? What is the difference between 150% and 100%? 50%. 100 plus 100, 200. 50%, 200 means 100% are 400 or not? 400 is the cost price or selling price? Cost price. But we required selling price or not? Then answer 500 or not? 50% we are getting 200. 100% value 400. 100% is the cost price, but we required selling price or cost price? Selling price. Then answer 100% plus 100 or not? Answer will be 500. Just we are taken market price minus discount, cost price plus profit. Next question number 47. A container contains a total of 120 liters of mixture of milk and water, in which quantity of water is 20 liters. If 36 liters of the mixture is taken out from the container and 6 liters of the milk is added, then find the quantity of water is what percent less than the milk in the final mixture and initial mixture? Final mixture. First of all, initial vessel is contains how many liters? 120 liters of mixture of milk and water around. Out of 120, 20 liters are which one? Water or not? 20 liters are water. If water are 20 liters or not? Milk will be how many liters? 100 liters or not? Okay. But out of the 120 liters, how many liters are taken out? 36 liters. Means how much percent are taken out? 30% or 40%? 30%. Out of 120 we are taken 36 liters, means how much percent we are taken? 30% or not? If mixture 30% are taken out, means milk also 30%, water also 30% are taken. Out of the 100 liters, 30% are taken. What is the remaining value? 70. Out of 20, 30% are taken. Remaining value 14 liters or not? Then remaining milk are how much? 70. Remaining water are 14. Again, how many liters of milk is added? 6 liters. Then milk value is how much? 70 plus 6. How much? 76. In final mixture, milk is how many liters? 76. Water are 14. But here question, water percent less than the which one? Milk value. What is the water parts? 14. Compared to which one? Milk value. How many parts are less? 62 upon 76 into 100 or approximately. We required approximate or exact? Approximate. What is the 10% value? 7.6. 10% 7.6. Then 70%. 7 times or 8 times? 7 times. 7 sevens are how much? 49. It should be more than 70 or less than 70? More than 70. Suppose if you are taken 80% value or not? 8 sevens are how much? 56. 8 6 are 48. Means it is 60.8 or not? Means answer will be more than 80 or less than 80? More than 80. What is the closer value? 82%. 10% 7.6, 80% value 60.8. It is closer to which one? 80%. Which option? Which one is the closer value in options? 82. Next 48. A and B started a partnership business by investing 35,000 and 40,000 respectively. After 6 months, C joined them, and at the end of the year, profit share of C is how much? 9,000 out of the total profit of 39,000. What is the question here? Find the investment of C or not? What is the A investment? 35,000. It will be used for how many months? 12 months or not? Next, what is the B investment? 40,000. Used for how many months? 12 months or not? Next, but C will be joined after how many months? 6 months. Then C capital are used for 6 months. C capital I treated as C or not? It will be used for how many months? 6 months or not? Okay. What is the numerator meaning? Profit of A and B. Denominator meaning profit of C or not? And what is the total profit of 3 persons? 39,000. In that C profit 9,000. What is the remaining profit? 30,000. Means A and B are getting 30,000 profit. C getting how much profit? 9,000. Means 10:3 ratio or not? 10:3 ratio. A and B together are getting 10 parts profit. Only C are getting 3 parts profit. 6 how many times? 12. 2 times. 6 how many times? 2 times or not? Again both sides zeros are cancel or not? Clear. 3,500 into 2. 7,000. 4,000 into 2. 8,000. Total it is 15,000. Into how many times? 3 times. Then C equal to how much value? 45,000. Which option? First one. Next question number 49. Pipe A and pipe B together can fill the half of a tank in how many hours? 7 hours. While pipe C can empty 40% of the same tank in how many hours? X hours. When all the 3 pipes are open together in the same empty tank, then it completely filled in how many hours? 26 1 by 4 hours. What is the question here? Find the value of X or not. First of all, A and B together can fill the half tank or total tank? Half tank. Half tank are filled in 7 hours means full tank 14 hours. Means A and B together can fill the tank in how many hours? 14 hours. And one more. Then it completely filled in 3 pipes or only 1 pipe? 3 pipes. Means A plus B minus C or plus C? Minus C. Nothing but 3 pipes or only 1 pipe? 3 pipes. 3 pipes can fill the same tank in how many hours? 26 1 by 4. Means it is 105 by 4 hours or minutes? Hours. What is the question here? While C can empty 40% of the same tank in how many hours? X hours. A plus B means 2 pipes or only 1 pipe? 2 pipes. A plus B minus C means 3 pipes or not? 3 pipes data are given, 2 pipes data are given. Subtracting we are get the C value or not? Subtracting means productive by difference or productive by sum? Productive by difference. A and B together are given, A alone also given. We need to identify the B alone means productive by difference or not? Here 3 pipes data are given, 2 pipes data are given. We need to identify third pipe means subtracting or adding? Subtracting. One is 14, another one are 105 by 4. Productive by difference or productive by sum? Productive by difference. 105 by 4 minus 14 or plus 14? Minus 14. 105 by 4 minus 14 means this one we written 4 into 14, 56. 105 minus 56. 105 minus 56. 45 or not? 49. Denominator we written 49. Numerator 14 into how much value? 105. 7 how many times 49? 2 times. 7 how many times 40? 7 times. Again 7 how many times 105? 15. Means C alone can fill the whole tank in how many hours? 30 hours. But we required 40% of the tank or total tank? 40%. C can empty the whole tank in how many hours? 30 hours. But we required how much percent? 40% or total? 40%. What is the 40% of 30? 12 hours or not? 40% of which one? 30. 40% of 30. 12 hours. If you have taken LCM concept, it will be time taken. Next question number 50. Average of percentage of A and B is given how many years? 30 years. C is 4 years older than which one? A. 4 years ago, the ratio of the A to C was how much? 3:4. The sum of the ages of A, B, C, 5 years, ends or not? First of all, what is the average present of A and B is? 30 years. C is how many years older than B? 4 years. And one more, 4 years ago, A to C are given how much? 3:4. 4 years back, A was how many parts? 3 parts. Present value, 3 parts plus 4 or not? Sorry, is not required. What is the difference between C and A? 4 years. At present, 4 years difference means past, future, present. Always same or different? Same. How many parts are different? 1 part. Parts wise 1 part. Age wise 4 years. 1 part we written how many years? 4 years or not? Then 3 parts 12 years. But 3 parts 12 years means it is how many years back? 4 years back. 4 years back 12 means present value of A is 16. If present value of A is 16, but average percentage of A and B is given how many years? 30 years or not? Average of A and B 30 years, then A plus B sum is 60 or not? A plus B sum 60. But we required sum of A, B, C after how many years? 5 years or not? Again we required which value? C value or not? C 4 years back how many parts? 4 parts. What is the 1 part value? 4 years. 4 parts are 16. 4 years back 16 means present value 20 or not? C present value 20. Already A plus B plus C, A plus B present value 60. 60 plus 20, 80 or not? It is sum of which one? A plus B plus C present or not? But we required after how many years? 5 years. Each one 5 years are adding or not? 3 persons plus 15 or minus 15? Plus 15. 80 plus 15, 95. C are given. Next 51. B is 50% more efficient than which one? A. And both A and B together can complete a piece of work in how many days? 24 days. If the ratio of efficiency of C to B is given 3:2, then how many days B and C together can complete the half of the same work or total work? Half of the same work. First of all, B is 50% more efficient than which one? A. But in second time, C efficiency is how many parts? 3 parts. B efficiency are 2 parts or not? Suppose B efficiency I treated as 6 parts. B efficiency are 6 parts. What is the C? B efficiency are 6 parts. Then C efficiency are 9 parts or not? C efficiency are how much? 9 parts. Next, B efficiency is 50% more than the which one? A efficiency. B efficiency already 6 parts means A efficiency are 4 parts or not? B is 50% more than the which one? A or not? Means B and A relation 3:2 or not? 3 parts are 6 means 2 parts are 4 or not? A efficiency is how many parts? 4 parts. B efficiency 6 parts. C efficiency are 9 parts. But A and B together can complete the work in how many days? 24 days. What is the A efficiency? 4 parts. B efficiency 6 parts. Total efficiency 10 parts into how many days? 24 days. It is work value or not? The same work will be completed by which one? B and C. What is the B efficiency? 6 parts. C efficiency 9 parts into time or not? Both work will be same or different? Same. Then T equal to half of the total work or total work? Half of the total work. 6 plus 9 is how much? 15. 4 plus 6? 10. 5 how many times? 2 times. Here 3 times. 3 again 8 times. T equal to how many days we are getting? 16 days. Total work will be completed in 16 days, but we required half of the same work or different work? Half of the same work. Total work in 16 days means half work will be 8 days or not? Next 52. Wrong number. First 8, 27, 64, 128. 128 is wrong number or not? Which option? Fourth one. Because all are in perfect cubes or not? Next question number 53. Which one is the wrong number? 128. Next 53. What is the half of the 480? 240. Means into half or not? Next 240, 360. One time value plus half time value or not? Nothing but into 1.5. Next 360. Into half into 1.5 means into 2.5 or not? 360 into 2 times 720. Half of the 360 180. Total it is 900 or not? Which one is the wrong number? 905. Next 54. 60 and 720 almost how many times? 12 times or not? 12 times or not? Next 720 and 4320 almost 6 times or not? Okay. Into 12 into 6 means previously 24 times or not? 2.5 into 24 we are getting how much value? 60. 60 into 12 720. 720 into 6 4320. Next one into how many times? 3 times. Next one into 1.5 or not? Okay. Just wait. 20 into 3 means ending with we are getting 60 or not? Next, 60 into 1.5 means ending with VR 90 or not? Okay. 23 is how much? 60. Ending with 60, correct. Next, 60 into 1.5 90. Ending with 90, but here ending with 8 80. Which one is the wrong number? 19480. Next, 55. 1680, how many times? 5 times. 80 400, 5 times or not? Into 5 means previous one also how many times? 5 times or not? 3.2 10 times how much? 32. 5 times value 16 or not? Obviously here also 5 times or not? 400 into 5 2000, but here value 2500. Suppose if you are taken next time 5 times 2000 into 5 10,000, means wrong number are which one? 2500. Next, 420, 457, 498, 543, 588, 641, 700. What is the first one difference? 37. Next one 41. I think prime numbers difference or not? What is the last one difference? 641 and 700 difference. 50 9 or 1? 9. 37 41. What is the next prime number? 43. 498 plus 43 how much? 498 plus 43 541, but here 543. Which one is the wrong number? 543. Next question number 57. Question number 57. Read the graph carefully and answer the following questions. The line graph given below shows the number of people, male plus female, who travel from the train A and B from 5 different days or only one day? 5 different days. On Monday 200 and 170 or not? On Tuesday 230 and 220. Diagram converted to already table are given or not? Okay. Diagram, actually line diagram are given. Converted to which one? Table are given or not? Next, what is the first one? What is the average number of people who travel from train A on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday? What is the A value on Monday? 200. Wednesday 160. Next Thursday 240. 240 plus 160 400 plus 200 600. Sum is 600, but average 200 or not? Which option? Second one. Next 58. Number of people traveling train B on Tuesday and Wednesday together is what percentage more or less than that by train A on Wednesday? What is the B value on Tuesday? 220. Wednesday 180. Total it is 400. Next to train A on Wednesday 160. 400 compared to 160. Just listen. 400 160 means 8 how many times? 5 times. 8 how many times? 2 times or not? Okay. How many parts are more? 3 parts. 3 by 2 or not? Percentage either more or less. Means first priority which one? More value or not? 3 by 2 into 100. How much percent? 150%. Next question number 59. If the ratio of males and females who traveled from train A and train B on Friday is given how much? 9:8 and 8:13 respectively, then find the difference between the total males and females who traveled on Friday or not? Okay. First train A on Friday 170 or not? 170. Train B on Friday 210 or not? Means every one part equal to we are taken as 10 or not? 170 to 10. Every one part we are taken as how much? 10. What is the first one? Male and female ratio? 9:8. Means male value is how many parts? 9 parts. Female value 8 parts. 9 and 8. Second one, male and female ratio 8:13. 8 plus 13 how many parts? 21. One is 8 parts, another one are 13 parts. What is the total male value? 17 parts. What is the total female value? 21 parts. How many parts are difference? 4 parts. Already we are treated as 1 part value 10. How many parts we need? 4 parts. How much? 40 or not? 170, 17 parts. 210, 21 parts. Next question number 60. Find the ratio between the total number of people who travel on Tuesday and that on Friday. Tuesday both values are not. 230 plus 220. How much? 450. Next Friday both values. 380 or not. 450 and 380. 45 is to 38. Which option? Second one. Next 61. What is the next question number 61? What is the difference between the number of people traveled from train A and train B from Monday to Friday? What is the Monday value train A? 200. Next train B. Sorry. We required Monday to Friday difference or not? In first Monday, how much value or difference? Plus 30 or minus 30? Plus 30. Second Tuesday, plus 20 or minus 20? Plus. First one difference 30. Next one difference 10. Next one minus 20 or plus 20? Minus 20. Next Thursday, plus 50 or minus 50? Plus 50. 170 and 210. Minus 40 or not? Minus 40. 30 plus 10, 40. Minus 40 plus 40 cancel or not? Plus 50 minus 20, 30. Means overall difference are 30 or not? Which option? Third one. Next comparison of quantities. Quantity 1. The simple interest on certain sum of money for 4 years at 10% per annum is given how much? 6,000. We required which one? Principal value or not? What is the per annum rate of person? 10%. 4 years how much interest? 40%. But in place of 40% how much value are given? 6,000. 40% 6,000 means 10%. 1,500 or not? 10% 1,500 means principal value 100%. Means 15,000 or not? Q1 value 15,000, Q2 value 16,500. Then relation Q1 is less than Q2. 4 years 6,000 per annum 1,500. 10 times of 1,500. Next 63. What is the Q1? 60 days. Q2 value. A can do a piece of work in how many days? 20 days. A and C together 15 days. Then how many days taken by C alone to complete the whole work or remaining work? Whole work. A and C together are given. A alone are given. We need to identify which one? C alone. Combination given, individual are given. Again we need to identify the individual or not. Product by difference or product by sum? Product by difference. 20 into 15 by, what is the difference? 5 or not? 5 how many times 15? 3 times. 23 is how much? 60. C alone in how many days? 60 days. What is the Q1 value? 60. Q2 also 60. Then relation Q1 equal to Q2. Quantity 1 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Quantity 2 y square plus 6y plus 9 equal to 0 or not? In first one what is the coefficient value? 2 or not? Means we are get the integers or not? We are get the integers. But negative integers or positive integers? Negative integers. But second one we are get negative values or positive values? Negative values. First 2 3 is how much? 6. Product value 6 but some value are how much? 5. The next final roots we return minus 2 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 or not? Minus 2 by 2 means minus 1 or plus 1? Minus 1. Minus 3 by 2 means minus 1.5. What are the y final roots? Minus 3 and minus 3. Because what is the product value? 9. Some value or 6 means 3. 3 is how much? 9. What is the answer? X greater than Y means Q1 is greater than Q2. Next 65. Quantity 1, present age of Manik is 24 years and the ratio of the Manik and Raman after 4 years is how much? 4:5. What is the question here? Present age of which one? Raman. What is the Manik present age? 24. If present age are 24 means after 4 years Manik is 28. The 28 are represents how many parts? 4 parts. 4 parts are 28. Every 1 part are 7. Then 5 parts value 35. That 35 is the Raman age after how many years? 4 years. After 4 years 35 means present value 31. Then Raman present age is how many years? 31. Next, quantity 2. The difference between the present age of Ram and Ramdin is given how many years? 10 years. The ratio of their present age is given 7:12. What is the question here? Find the sum of their ages. How many parts are different? 5 parts. How many years are different? 10 years. 5 parts, 10 years. Every 1 part, 2 years. We required sum or not? Sum means how many parts? 19 parts. 1 part to 19 parts. 38. What is the Q1 value? 31. Q2 are 38. Relation Q1 less than Q2. Which option? Second one. Okay.